I just made a Lego art school, which is essentially a school of creativity because I don't have just paintings. They got photography, videos, digital art, sewing, pottery, and then places just to hang out. But you know what I totally messed up on? I forgot to make the most creative place of all. A Lego building station. With these cylinders, plates, and more plates, we make an equivalent of my Lego desk in Lego form. But I always have some project going on the bottom and then Lego sets displayed up top. So I got a few pieces to replicate that. Now let's place our Lego building station inside the School of Creativity.